Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a little content photo shoot, so I thought I would get ready with you guys. This video is not sponsored, but Merit Beauty was kind enough to reach out and allow me to pick some items. One of the things that they just released is actually their signature lip. It comes with their reusable bag. This is definitely something that I'm going to be using a lot this year. So I'm going to tie my hair back. I just curled it a little bit and I actually did a whole little hair kind of get ready with me over on my TikTok if you're interested, so definitely check it out if you want to. So I'm gonna use my own base primer right here. I'm excited to do a little photo shoot today because I literally have not done one in a while and I feel like I'm running out of like content to post on Instagram. Okay, so first we're gonna try the Minimalist Perfection Complexion Skin. I do want to mention that all their products are actually clean, vegan, and cruelty free, which is incredible. Okay, so this is the shade that I picked. I'm gonna try a little bit under. I feel like I look like I'm not getting sleep, which I feel like I have been, but literally it feels like, or it looks like I haven't, because my eye bags have been so dark lately. But I'm just gonna use my finger, and oh my gosh, okay, that did an amazing job. Do you see that? Technically, I honestly don't even think I need any more makeup. It's kind of just covered everything that I needed to. I'm just gonna add a little bit of my foundation because I am going for photos, and we're gonna go in with a glow. I really am so excited to try their highlighter glow. So this right here looks like that. It is so pretty. This is such a pretty color. You can definitely use it as like eyeshadow even. I'm gonna go ahead and use this to put it up here on my nose, down here. Now blend it with my fingers. I honestly think I'm gonna use it as eyeshadow because it is so beautiful. And I'm gonna blend it. I love how like soothing this is. I don't know, it's just like so moisturizing. I love that. Next we're gonna try the Flesh Balm. So this one I picked in the shade Beverly Hills. I think that's definitely a pretty blush. I look like a doll right now. But we're gonna blend it in again with fingers. It's so pretty. Okay, next we're gonna try this brow volumizing pomade. I'm so excited. My brows have been plucked recently so they don't look as bad. I always prefer like eyebrow gel. They definitely stand out more. I like this so far. Okay, we're getting obsessed with every product. So they did just come out with one new lip product, which I'm really excited. So this first one is actually the Millennial signature lip. This is a lightweight lipstick. This packaging is so beautiful. Look at it. Oh my gosh. This color is so pretty. It's such a darker tone. I feel like it would be perfect for fall, but even then I would probably use it before that for like a night out. I think it's so beautiful. This next one is another signature lip, but this is the shade Millennial. So this one is like this, and it's a more lighter one, so that's what it looks like. I might be going with this one today because it's a little bit more lighter and pinkish. The other one is actually their shade stick. So this one is one they've had for a while, I believe, and it looks like this. It's such a beautiful color. I picked the what color did I pick? I picked the pink Beet. Okay, so we're gonna use Millennial. This one is the lighter little kind of pretty pink color, and we're gonna try this out. Okay, I just want to say this color is beautiful and my lips feel so moisturized. I feel like usually with lipsticks I feel like my lips get dry. I'm gonna go ahead and add mascara and then we'll be done with this look. Thank you so much to Merit Beauty for reaching out to me and gifting me all these products. I will leave the links to everything down below, as well as the shades that I picked for myself.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different.
Outfit! Caesar's in a really great mood.
Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
I'm so cold. Look at this mess. because I also filmed some what are they called? Reels? TikTok? Both, pretty much. It's so cold. The sun is setting. We're done. Now I'm gonna drop off Caesar and I'm gonna head home and we're gonna get some stuff done. We got some photos. I'm gonna look through them after I clean up because it's a mess here since I did my makeup and everything. I want to clear up all my SD cards and delete what I have to delete and make more space on my phone. So it's gonna be all of that. I don't think I mentioned it, but tomorrow I'm actually going to the city with Jasmine again. We're gonna meet up for this little cute, so cute, like brunch place. I'm so excited because I've never been there. Okay, this is just like the biggest mood right here. I ordered myself a kids quesadilla with some little chips and a side of guac. I am so excited to dive in. I'm gonna watch some YouTube and I'm so excited. I love like just like eating, watching YouTube. I haven't gotten to do that in like so long. I feel like I have so much to watch, but I'm so excited. I'm gonna dive into my kids meal, my chips, my guac, and I'm in comfy clothes. This is where I put pretty much everything from vlogs and footage and stuff. So I have my January folder here, but I need to get on February since we are March now. We'll start just putting stuff in there so that I can make space on my phone and on my laptop. I probably look like I just woke up and makeup is still popping. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so I just finished editing 5 reels. I did 5 reels. They're all in my drafts. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so excited to post them. I'm just gonna post one a day for the next few days. I am so happy. I finished, cleared my DSLR card, SD card, and then my vlog. I got rid of all the stuff, put everything into my hard drive. I am so happy. I'm going to now go ahead and take off my makeup and I'm gonna go pick up Caesar and then we're gonna come back and probably go to sleep. So I will see you tomorrow when I go get some brunch with Jasmine, which I am so excited about. I'm also going to do my makeup again tomorrow, so we'll take some more pictures and probably grab some more content for more reels. I'm so excited. I really am doing my best to like prioritize reels at the moment, because the last couple weeks I literally have not been feeling like motivated, or just like, I don't know what it was. I really don't know. It's been like a mix of emotions and like emotional roller coaster lately. There's not really a specific like reason, because honestly I'm so grateful for everything that's happening in my life right now, the things that I have planned for this year, and it's just like so exciting. But it's just like, I don't know, it's been like a weird mix of emotions lately. So the last couple weeks I haven't really been focusing on like content as much, but today I felt like I was back in my groove, doing photo shoots and like vlogging with you guys right now. I don't know, I've just been feeling so much better today. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you're having a beautiful night. It's 10 a.m. right now. It's the next day. I am about to head to the city. I'm gonna meet up with Jasmine. We're gonna grab an Uber and then drive over to the place we're gonna have brunch. I love this blazer. It's like my favorite thing. I rented it from Nuuly, but I'm considering like buying it. We're gonna head over there. I'm so excited because I haven't seen Jasmine in a while and I miss her so much, so I am so excited. Jasmine's taking a photo. It's so beautiful. I just got home. This is the outfit that I didn't get to show you earlier. I wore this from Uniqlo. It's a little satin top. My jeans from H&M. I really appreciate like girl time. It's so nice. It's like so refreshing. I love it so much. Okay, so before I forget, I want to do a quick little Bath and Body Works candle haul. So yesterday we picked these up at the mall. So first is this one. This is a smaller one. We liked this one together. So this is the Cactus Blossom. I'm so excited. This smells, well, it says it's cactus flower petals, fresh citrus, and vanilla coconut. So it smells so good. It's like a mix of like, I don't know how to describe it. I get a sense of like guy scent, but also floral. It's so weird, but it smells so good. This one Caesar picked out because he likes eucalyptus, I think it's how you say it. So this is Eucalyptus Rain. So it looks like that, and it smells really good. I really like it. It smells really refreshing and like clean. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's more like a guy scent. But I really like guy scented candles. This is a 3-wicket wicket, I think it's called. 3-wick candle. I don't know how to say it. This is like the best scented one I found there at all. So we got these especially from like the earthy kind of scents. I think we're more into earthy more than like floral or fruity. We're not really into fruity scents. So this one is the white tea and sage. This is what it looks like. I love like the whole packaging. It's just so minimal and stuff, but it smells so good. This is sparkling bergamot, white tea, and fresh sage. It smells so good, and it's made from natural essential oils. I don't know how to describe it. It just smells like a mix of trees, which just like earthy. I don't know how to describe it. It's by far like my favorite one that I've smelled. I fell asleep. I took a nap, so I just woke up like an hour ago or so, and we just made our grocery list. So it is like 6 I think right now. We're gonna head over to Trader Joe's and also we might go somewhere else. We're gonna do some cooking tonight for the next few days. Not like a full meal prep for the whole week, but just like for as many days as we can. Put on my coat and this I already had on. I fell asleep literally with my clothes on and even my makeup on, so my makeup's still on. But yesterday I also took a nap, and today I also took a nap. I hope that my sleeping schedule is okay and I can fall asleep today. Let's go to the grocery store. So we went to Whole Foods and we went to Trader Joe's. We got some bananas. Quick little haul, by the way. Bananas. Beyond Beef because I didn't have Impossible Burgers. 3 trees because I heard from a friend it's really a healthy option. It is a more pricey option though, so beware. So the only ingredients are water, almonds, and vanilla beans. Onions, make oats, tomatoes, red peppers, potatoes, potatoes. You know that song?
Nope, I don't.
Oh. Blueberries, buns. They only had classic left. Peanut butter, eggs, lettuce. We got lemon bars for our dessert. I got some cheese for my burgers. These are Impossible chicken nuggets. They're made from plants. They are delicious. Highly recommend. They're so good. Lastly, it's just chicken. Hello, it is much later, so I am about to go to sleep. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. It truly helps out my channel so much. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.